Hello guys, today we will plan a modern office plan in the Staadpro Revit profile, and we should open the Staadpro. In the Staadpro we can plan it multiple storage and multiple, we can design it in the Staadpro profile. Yeah, opening the Staadpro profile software. Okay. We open the here and click on the new project here. Click on the spacing. Here we can change as model office building. Model office building, and here unit length will be meters and force units also in meters, and click on next option here and click on B and open the open structure wizard. Click on it and open it. It will be directly open here, and now we should take a frames mode here and click on the circle, and the radius of 6 and number of bays along this 20, and apply, close it, yes now. Okay, we get it. Little much zoom out and go for again geometry, run such a wizard here and click on the frames mode here. So click on circle beam. The radius is now 12, is 20, and click on apply here, close it, yes, okay. Again we should take it another one, circle, click on frames mode, circle. Now we should take it as 18, this 20, apply, close, okay, yes. We get it here. And now you should select this structure and go for the geometry here, control copy, control C, control V at the right at the axis of here. I want to change the X direction, so Control A, Control C, Control V at X direction. So click on 15 meters height. Please click on the top view. Control Z, Control C, Control V. Direction was changed here, so we will be 50. Here we get the 50 radius of here, this point to this point 250 distance available. For this, in between this section, how many distance are available, we can see here the length dimensions, node to node. You can see this is the 14 meters. So remove all the wings. After removing, take a beam cursor here, RL beams, okay, and we should add it for this section also. So I'm zooming here also, we should add it. Okay, escape it, select the beams and circular transfer qubit 360 degrees and number of steps is 20. Click on OK. it will be applied like this. And this one also you should control. Again you should go for a circular 20. Click on OK. It will be applied. So and Control C, Control V at the 50 meters we get hit here. Okay, like this we should draw, and now we should select these beams. We should go for insert nodes, add midpoint here, click on OK. Here midpoint first here. So now we should select these node points and Control C, Control V. X direction is 4 and Control C, Control V. Here we should give the -4. -4. Okay, we get it here, and select these node points and go for the select. Here we should go for the geometry here and connected beams along the Z axis. Click on OK. Here we get it. We can see in the top view, in the isolating view, we get it here, and go for the top view here, and we should add it for this section plate. Node closure we should add it. Okay, we added. Go for the plate cursor here, select the plate and go for the translate limit, circular translate limit here 20, and go for click on OK here. It will be applied. Okay, you can see here directly applied. Okay, here also we should add it for the plate. Okay, added. Circular translate by direction 20. Okay. Control Z. Okay. You should select these plates, total plates, and Control C, Control V at the distance of 50. Click on OK. It will be directly applied here. We can see here. Okay. And next, we should add it for this section for plate. No cursor here. We should like this. We should add these points. We should add it for total section. Okay, we completed our plates. did not place here. We added the pleats here. Okay, we can see in the 3D view. Here we did not add it for the two sections for plates, so I want to add it for this section. Okay, we added the section for this section. Plate was added, and now we can see in the 3D view also. Okay, go from back, and next go for the top view here, and select this beam, this rectangular beam, circular beam. This side also we should. Okay, we select the circles only. Go for the translate limit, and at y direction number of steps is 15, and the height of the meter is 3 meters height. Click on OK here. It will be applied. We can see in the 3D view how was acted on it. Okay, and next go for the top view again, and select the plates, and go for the translate limit. At y direction number of steps is 15, height of the meter is 3 meters, and click on OK. It will be applied. You can see in the 3D view also. Here we can see the I did not add the linked steps, so for that Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. Select the beam cursor here. Translate limit at y direction 15, height of the meter is 3 meters height. Click on linked steps and click on OK. Again go for translate limit, y direction 15, height of the meter is 3 meters height. Click on OK. It will be applied. We can see in the 3D view. Here we can see here the how plates was added and how the columns was added. We can see here beams and columns. Okay, now I should add it for this section, and go for the top view here, and go for the beam cursor here. Select the beams, and select these 2 points. Okay, and go for translate limit at y direction. I want to having the 10 floors on it, and height of 3 meters height, and linked steps. Click on OK. It will be applied. We can see in the 3D view how was acting on it. You can see here. Okay, now go for the top view here. Okay. So here this source was gone. Control Z. Go for the top view here. Select this one. Okay. Go for translate limit again, y direction 10 feet at the height of the 3 meters height. Click on link steps. Okay. Okay, we get here. See, we can see here like this. And next, I'll take a plate cursor here, select it. This one also you should select it. Translate limit, y direction 15 feet, sorry 15 height steps, 3 feet 3 meters height. This only click here. Okay, select these plates and go for translate limit, y direction 10 steps and 3 meters height. Click on OK. It will be applied. You can see in the 3D view how I was acting on it. Here we can see the how I was acting on it. You can see here. Okay, and close it. Now go for the front view here and select these down view, delete it for giving the supports. It should give the support for this section, and beam also. I want to delete the beam section for this section. Wait for the deleting beams. Okay, we deleted beams. Here we completed geometry part was completed for this section. In next section, go for the general. We can see in the general section how to give the properties and supports and loads and parameters. We how to give the sections for the in the next video. Thank you.